Hey everybody, I'm gonna start a new channel just about diesels and cars, trucks, everything I'm passionate about. We just picked this up yesterday. It's kind of rough. It's got rust hole, ugly rims, rust different places, missing trim. You saw the interior in the bed of the truck, so a lot of the interior is missing. Well, not missing, but not in the car. But the body overall is not rusted out. Bumper's falling off. Drove 6 hours to get it yesterday. Paid $700 for it. But the beautiful thing about it, I can't get in right now. The beautiful thing about it is, let me get the keys here. This is my first time cold starting it since I bought it, so hopefully it's still beautiful. It's a TDI, 214,000 miles. It does run kind of rough right now. I'm gonna have to maybe clean the injectors or fuel lines out a little bit. I'll learn as I go. You guys can learn along with me. And this actually has a 2-tank system for vegetable oil that I've done on a couple different cars. But yeah, this is gonna be a new experience for me. And you guys subscribe to the channel, you can follow along, see what kind of cool stuff we do. That's a second trunk lid. Let me show you in the trunk here, that second tank I was talking about. Maybe. I don't know how to open the trunk right now. There we go. Okay. Some more spare parts, but this is that second tank for the oil. I've been reading online a little bit, and I believe that, well, I don't remember how many gallons it said it was, but some extra tail lights. You put the hubcaps on and it'll look better. But yeah, it's a grease car system, really old system. I actually talked to them and they said it's at least 2004 or older. But you guys can watch and we'll try and work on stuff that I've never done before, like some of this small rust, and gotta get some new tires. These were nice, but they're dry rotted, so there's gonna be videos coming with this, hopefully regularly. We'll do some cool stuff to it. I don't have a huge budget to start, but as we go along it'll get cool. And subscribe if you want to see TDI diesel, vegetable oil, body work, maintenance, anything like that. I'll see you on the next video.